Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a diagonal split header in Excel, step by step. This is useful for tables where you need to display two categories in the same cell, like products and years. Open your Excel sheet and select the cell where you want the diagonal split, usually A1. Then click on Align Left. Right-click the merged cell and select Format Cells. Go to the Border tab. Click on the diagonal border that runs from top left to bottom right. Click OK to apply the changes. Click inside the merged cell and type Years. Press Alt plus Enter to move to the next line. Then type Products. Manually adjust spaces before Years to move it to the right side. Click inside the merged cell. That's how you create a diagonal split header in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Excel tips.